Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy and invoke Soroban smart contracts using the Soroban Python SDK. I already have 3 files here, a Hello World Contracts WASM file, and 2 Python script, one for deploy the contract and one for invoke the contract. First, I will create a FutureNet account at Stellar Laboratory and fund it before we get started. To deploy a smart contract, open the deploy script. You'll need to update the following parameters. Secret, enter your Soroban FutureNet account secret key. Contract_file_path, update this to the path of your WASM smart contract file. Save the file, then run the script. This will deploy your smart contract to the FutureNet network. Take note of the contract ID displayed. We'll use this when invoking the smart contract. To invoke a smart contract function, open the invoke script. Update these parameters. Secret, enter your account secret key again. Contract_ID, use the contract ID from deploying the contract. Function_name, enter the name of the function you want to invoke. In this case, hello. Parameters, any arguments needed for the function. In this case, YouTube in symbol type. Save the file, then run the script. You'll see the result of invoking the smart contract function. I hope this helps you get started with deploying and invoking Soroban smart contracts using Soroban Python SDK.